Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, power windows, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.